The 2025 Kia EV9 represents a major leap forward in the world of electric SUVs, offering a compelling blend of cutting-edge technology, bold design, and impressive performance. As Kia's first all-electric three-row SUV, the EV9 aims to set new standards in the F-market, challenging established players with its futuristic styling, long-range capabilities, and a well-thought-out interior that prioritizes comfort and sustainability. With increasing competition in the electric vehicle space, the EV9 stands out as a strong contender for those seeking a spacious and eco-friendly SUV without compromising on luxury and practicality. Kia has established itself as a major player in the electric vehicle industry with models like the EV6, which was praised for its performance and efficiency. The EV9 builds on that success by offering a larger, family-friendly option that retains the brand's signature innovation. Built on Hyundai Motor Group CGMP, Electric Global Modular Platform, the EV9 benefits from an advanced architecture that supports ultra-fast charging, extended range, and a host of advanced driving technologies. It showcases Kia's vision for the future of electric mobility, emphasizing not only sustainability but also practicality for everyday users. One of the most striking aspects of the 2025 Kia EV9 is its bold and modern design. Unlike traditional SUVs that often lean towards conservative styling, the EV9 embraces a futuristic aesthetic with sharp lines, a boxy silhouette, and Kia's signature digital tiger face front fascia. The front end is characterized by sleek LED lighting, including Kia's innovative star map lighting pattern, which adds a distinctive and high-tech appearance. The vehicle's overall shape is both rugged and aerodynamic, striking a balance between adventure-ready capability and efficiency-enhancing aerodynamics. The EV9's large dimensions make it an imposing presence on the road, but Kia has cleverly designed it to be as aerodynamic as possible, incorporating flush door handles, a smooth underbody, and airflow-optimized wheels. The squared-off rear end and high ground clearance give it a strong SUV character while maintaining an elegant and futuristic look. Kia offers multiple trim levels, including the GT line, which adds sportier design elements and more aggressive styling cues for those who want an extra level of flair. Stepping inside the 2025 Kia EV9, it's immediately evident that Kia has focused on creating a spacious, high-tech, and comfortable environment. The cabin is designed with sustainability in mind, utilizing eco-friendly materials such as recycled plastics, bio-based leather alternatives, and natural fabrics. This commitment to sustainability does not come at the expense of luxury, as the EV9's interior features a premium feel with high-quality finishes and advanced technology. The SUV's three-row seating configuration makes it a true family vehicle, accommodating up to 7 passengers comfortably. The second-row seating options include captain's chairs with relaxation mode, allowing passengers to recline and enjoy a first-class experience. The available swiveling second-row seats enable face-to-face seating, making road trips and family outings more interactive and enjoyable. The third row, often a weak point in many SUVs, provides decent space and comfort, ensuring that even adult passengers can sit comfortably on longer journeys. Technology is at the forefront of the EV9's interior experience. The dashboard features a sleek, panoramic display that integrates both the 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen, along with a smaller display for climate controls. Kia's latest infotainment system offers seamless connectivity, with support for over-the-air, OTA, updates, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a suite of advanced driver assistance features. The EV9 also debuts Kia's AI-powered voice assistant, which allows drivers to control various functions using natural language commands. In terms of performance, the 2025 Kia EV9 delivers a driving experience that balances power, efficiency, and comfort. The EV9 comes in both rear-wheel drive, RWD, and all-wheel drive, AWD, configurations, offering different powertrain options to suit varying needs. The standard RWD model features a single motor setup producing 215 horsepower, while the dual-motor AWD version significantly boosts performance with 379 horsepower and up to 516 pounds-to-feet of torque. Acceleration is impressive for an SUV of this size, with the AWD model capable of sprinting from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 5 seconds. While it may not be as performance-focused as some high-end electric SUVs, the EV9 prioritizes smooth and effortless power delivery, making it a great option for families and long-distance travelers. The ride quality is refined, thanks to the vehicle's well-tuned suspension and low center of gravity, which improves stability and handling. One of the biggest selling points of the 2025 Kia EV9 is its range and charging capabilities. Equipped with a large 99.8 kWh battery pack, the EV9 offers an estimated range of up to 300 miles on a single charge, depending on the trim and drivetrain configuration. This makes it one of the most practical electric SUVs for long-distance travel. Additionally, Kia's 800 volts fast charging system enables ultra-rapid charging, allowing the EV9 to gain around 80% charge in just 20-25 minutes when using a high-powered DC fast charger. For those who require even more capability, Kia offers vehicle-to-load (V2L) functionality, which allows the EV9 to act as a power source for external devices, such as camping equipment or home appliances during power outages. This feature adds another layer of practicality, making the EV9 an excellent choice for outdoor enthusiasts and those looking for emergency backup power solutions. Safety is a major focus for Kia, and the EV9 is packed with advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, to enhance security and convenience. Standard features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking, and a surround view camera system. The EV9 also introduces Kia's Highway Driving Pilot, HDP, a semi-autonomous driving system that allows for hands-free highway driving under certain conditions, showcasing the brand's commitment to future-ready mobility. Another important aspect of the 2025 Kia EV9 is its affordability and value proposition. While exact pricing varies depending on trim and options, the EV9 is positioned as a more accessible alternative to luxury electric SUVs from brands like Tesla, Rivian, and Mercedes-Benz. By offering a combination of premium features, competitive range, and advanced technology at a reasonable price point, Kia aims to make electric mobility more attainable for a wider audience. Kia's commitment to sustainability extends beyond the vehicle itself. The company has implemented eco-friendly production practices, aiming to reduce its carbon footprint and promote circular economy principles. The use of recycled and bio-based materials in the EV9's construction aligns with Kia's broader vision of creating a more sustainable automotive industry. The 2025 Kia EV9 is a game-changer in the electric SUV market, offering a compelling mix of design, technology, performance, and practicality. It successfully bridges the gap between mainstream and premium electric vehicles, providing a well-rounded package for families and EV enthusiasts alike. With its spacious and high-tech interior, impressive range and charging capabilities, and a strong focus on sustainability, the EV9 is poised to be a popular choice in the growing EV segment. As the electric vehicle market continues to expand, Kia has positioned itself as a leader in innovation and accessibility. The EV9 is a testament to the brand's ability to deliver high-quality electric vehicles that meet the needs of modern consumers. Whether you're looking for an eco-friendly family SUV, a tech-laden electric vehicle, or a stylish alternative to traditional gas-powered SUVs, the 2025 Kia EV9 offers an excellent option that sets a new benchmark in its category.